The genuinely current exchanging volume of torrential slide for the most part is at $198,124,135 in an unobtrusive manner. Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline in a by and large enormous manner. Avax United States dollar medium-term support commonly remained at $13.68 in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slides EM810 especially shows a very descending pattern, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. 30 October 2023, in this video we will sort of walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly generally sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What generally is especially transient cost expectation for torrential slide, sort of is Avax a wise venture, which basically is genuinely critical. Torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they by and large thought. Be that as it may, prior to plunging especially profound into the Avax specialized examination, certainly let us for the most part discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations in an unobtrusive way. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,276,444,521,247 in a genuinely enormous manner. The truly all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $33,863,355,643, which for the most part is very critical. Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in an in every practical sense, large way. Which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,555.20 level after a vertical development of 0.98%, showing how Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a predominance of 16.33%, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 1.34%, coming to $1,813.34 during the past 24 hours, which sort of shows what in every way that really matters, brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,555.20 level after a vertical development of 0.98%. Exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they fundamentally thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.02, following a value change of 1.03% inside a similar time period, so the for the most part complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $33,863,355,643, which by and large is genuinely critical. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP by and large, is up by 0.86 and at present exchanging at 56 cents, which truly is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. These occasions fundamentally show that the market explicitly is going in a sort of descending bearing for certainly present moment, so Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, a by and large broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which generally is very huge. Torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a kind of enormous manner. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers truly become kind of more genuinely dynamic and, all things considered, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so torrential slide support and opposition levels and so on in an especially significant manner. Similarly, opposition by and large is a level at which merchants truly become move sort of dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in a truly significant manner. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of torrential slide. Avax, torrential slide execution. The by and large current torrential slide cost for the most part is $11.55, with an exchanging volume of $198,124,135 in the kind of beyond 24 hours. which in a real sense shows that Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33% in a for the most part significant manner. Presently, Avax really is up by 5.74% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,102,406,074 United States dollars, in every practical sense. Further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents, subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an extremely significant way. Torrential slide value investigation Avax cost examination for 30 October 2023, inside a very day-to-day time span, especially made sense of beneath, which explicitly is genuinely huge. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving sort of normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including essentially straightforward moving sort of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving kind of normal, EMA, to for the most part, dissect the future development of the torrential slide. Which certainly shows that torrential slide value investigation Avax cost examination for 30 October 2023, inside a truly everyday time period, truly made sense of beneath, which by and large is genuinely huge. While Avax's Williams %R marker by and large is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange sort of sign basically will be essentially conceivable at this reach, so furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they fundamentally thought. The Avax United States dollar moving kind of normal union and uniqueness, MACD, pointer, basically is showing a truly present moment for the most part sell fundamentally signal, as the MACD line by and large is moving underneath essentially signal line which basically implies truly bears for the most part are overwhelming in the market in an unpretentious way. The torrential slide generally has especially break all its basically upholds levels, and things in a real sense are not looking fundamentally great for the crypto market, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a cost increment of 1.34%, coming to $1,813.34 during the past 24 hours. Which basically shows what by and large brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,555.20 level after a vertical development of 0.98%, showing how Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Presently, certainly bears especially are in charge of the market and effectively generally take Avax cost underneath the pivotal help level of $14.76, showing that the fundamentally all-out